today's such a beautiful day for a barbecue. I'm so excited. Hey Barbie. Hey Eva. Thanks for coming over. Oh, no problem. It sure smells delicious in here. What are you making? I just made cupcakes. Here, you can help, Eva. They're in the oven. Will you get them out for me? Sure, no problem. Let me put on the oven mitt so I don't burn myself. Wow, Barbie, you're a fantastic cook. These cupcakes are gorgeous, and you made a hamburger and other meat. Oh, this is gonna be so good. You know what, Eva? I also invited Batman and Superman. Yeah, they're gonna come. They should be here any moment. I figured there's so much food, we should share it. Ding dong. Oh, look, our guests have arrived. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. How are you? Welcome. We're so glad you made it. Thanks for accepting our invitation.
Oh, we wouldn't turn down a barbecue. We came hungry too. We didn't even eat breakfast.
Oh, well, come on. You can help us.
We can make some salad.
Yes, please.
And I can tend the barbecue.
All right. Come on in. Let's get started.
Everything is ready. I just need to get the barbecue hot enough to cook the meat. And you know what else we need? We need some sausages to go with this. Sausages are almost ready.
Is everything ready?
The salad's ready.
All right, let's eat.
Oh no! Spider-Man, there's been an emergency. You're right, Batman. We need to leave here immediately.
Oh, but we just made all this food. You're gonna leave now?
Food is finished. Now we have energy. Let's get out of here.
Oh, party's finished so early.